Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out. And on today's episode, we're going to be doing a review on a piece of equipment that I got right here. So stick around if you'd like to check it out. All right, you guys, so this is what we're going to be doing our product review on right here. This is a Bambu Lab P1S 3D printer. I've had this a bit over a year right here, and to be honest with you guys, it is amazing. This right here, you can do so much stuff with this this printer right here. You know, for me, it's mainly about functional parts. What my thought process is doing maybe some car parts with it, or parts for the Mustang here, and parts for the Ram. So right now I've actually got a part printing for the Mustang right here. We'll get into that in the next episode right here. But these things are just, they're awesome, guys. Anything that you can think of, you can pretty much create using modeling software. I'm still new to that stuff, so I'm not a pro at it or anything by any means, but I'm just kind of starting to get into that right there. Besides this right here, they also do have a what's called an AMS, where it holds 4 different color filaments, and that way you don't have to keep changing spools, and you can do multicolor prints and stuff like that. It is a pretty awesome product. A lot of people kind of refer to these as like an appliance, considering you can get it up and running in about 10 or 15 minutes out of the box. When I first got this, I was fairly new to 3D printing, and I mean it's pretty accurate. You don't have to be you don't have to be well versed in 3D printers to be able to use one of these things, which is pretty nice. Now, that's not saying it's not going to break on you. I've had a couple things with this happen. I've had a stuck extruder where some filament is stuck in there. Recently I just had a hot end break, which was the first time, but the nice thing is they do have a lot of cool videos and wikis and how-tos on how to fix stuff when it breaks on these. So overall, just wanted to kind of give you guys a quick review of this. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that. I just think it's a cool product, and I think that these have a lot of potential with the automotive industry, and doing stuff for cars, testing out stuff. So it's pretty cool. Besides trying to print car parts, of course, you can print as well, like knickknacks, stuff like that. One really cool thing, I actually bought these files right here for this 3D printed pegboard. It's called Threadboard. I purchased it from 3D Printer Academy, and it's really cool. The pegboard, each little section, the holes are threaded, and then you can print out actual screws to screw into it, and you can print boxes and a whole bunch of stuff like that right here. And again, it's really cool what you can do with these 3D printers right here. Again, not sponsored video. I just wanted to share it with you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you think 3D printers are going to take off a little bit more with car parts and manufacturing and trying to prototype stuff for vehicles, stuff like that. So again, I think it's pretty cool. Thought you guys might like it as well. So just wanted to give you guys a quick little review of it. Overall, again, I'm extremely happy with it. Again, you can print so many things with this. There's websites you can get files off of, for free, or if you want to get into it, you can, get into the design aspect, and you can model your own stuff and print it out. This is actually the first time that I've modeled something on this for the Mustang, so I'm trying that out right now to see how it turns out, and again, we'll pick back up on the next video with that. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you think these are going to take off more for the vehicles, for the automotive industry, or if you think they're just for knickknacks and stuff like that. But let me know what you guys think. I'd be curious to know. And that'll be it for our quick little review here on the Bambu Lab P1S. Alright guys, so that is our tool review for you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're not already subscribed, please go on ahead and hit that subscribe button. It really helps out, and we'll see you in the next project. Thanks.